Seagull Management.
Seagull Management is a management style wherein managers engage with employees only when something goes wrong. They fly in, make a lot of noise, crap on everything and fly back, leaving a big mess behind. They rarely offer praise or encouragement when things are going well. This style involves hasty decisions about things that are not understood, resulting in a messy situation that needs to be sorted out by others. The Seagull managers appear only to show their importance and blame others with no contribution to solving the problems. It is best to ignore their noise and concentrate on reality.
Explore more concepts in the 1 Minute Management class playlist.